Hi everyone, today we are diving deep into the tech side of the websites of one of the best known online educators in the world, Iman Gadzi. We are not going to talk about marketing strategies or sales funnels. Instead, we are going to reverse engineer the behind the scenes technologies powering all those websites, funnels and platforms. You will learn which tools Iman uses to build his websites, process payments, send out emails, protect his video courses from being downloaded and pirated, track analytics, gather community, protect his websites against hackers, and many more. Stay till the end, I'm sure you'll learn a lot of new things. Okay, let's begin with Digital Launchpad. I also have other websites open here, imangadzi.com, educate.io, growyouragency.com, flowzy.com, so those are all of his websites. Maybe he has more, but I managed to find only these few. First, we are going to use Wappalyzer Chrome extension. It's very useful and you can download it for free. It's going to help you see which technologies and tools this website uses. For example, here we can see that they are using Embedly, HubSpot, Hyros, TikTok Pixel, Microsoft Clarity, Facebook Pixel, etc. But the main thing is the page builder, and it looks like they are using Webflow. Also, on the other websites, I noticed they are also using Webflow. For example, here you see page builder Webflow, here page builder Webflow, and here, even though the logo is only present, they still use Webflow. And the last website also uses Webflow. In our agency, we are also using Webflow for these kinds of websites. It's really great tool to building marketing websites, landing pages, sales pages, funnels and stuff like that. We don't need to go much into details of these other websites. I think the most interesting one is this digitallaunchpad.com. So I'm going to close these and let's focus here. Okay, let's first open again Wappalyzer. Except Webflow, they're using also these analytics tools. If you click on one of them, for example here, you will get the description of the tool, what is it and how it works. So here, Hyros is marketing analytics and optimization platform. So let's go back, click it again, let's scroll down. We see they're using Amazon, Google Fonts, Calendly. One interesting thing here is that they are using Calendly, and if you scroll down the website, if you scroll everything, this is pretty long website, and you won't see a form. But how this app is actually detecting Calendly if there is no form? So we can check that by going to the source code, right click, view page source code if you have the option here, or you can Control U or Option Command U. And now let's search Calendly, and here you see they have Calendly, and it's actually hidden. You see it says still have questions. We can go back, we can right click, inspect, then go to elements, scroll up, click on the HTML, Control F or Command F, Control V to paste still have questions, enter. We should be able to find this, but it's not finding it. Let's type in Calendly. Okay, there it is. So here is Calendly. So this section is actually hidden. If we click here, you see on the right side, it says display none. If we uncheck this one, the section will appear and we just need to find it. So it's somewhere below. Let's see. Below. Let's see again below. Oh, there it is. See, here, still have a question. Here is that Calendly, but looks like the URL is not valid anymore. Also, I noticed a few hidden things on the website. For example, up here somewhere, I think there is another CTA button. So they actually have CTA for mobile. It's different. You see how it's now. This one is also, let's see here. What do we have here? Oh, so that's just a video. But looks like this is a different video. You see, this is a test. It says title test. So they left some test things here. Let's see. Can we display this video actually? Click here, see if display is none or no. You see it says display none, so we need to find it here, display none, uncheck, and there it is. Here is another video, probably they're A/B testing these things. So this way we can uncover many things that are going on behind the scenes. Another Chrome extension that could be helpful is this tag assistant. It's going to show us all the Google tags that they're using and all events. For example, if we click here, you see the all events that they are triggering, and you can see all the details. Doesn't mean much to us currently, but it might be useful. And now the interesting part, let's go to the terminal. Let's type in ping and then paste the domain name. So pingdigital-launchpad.com and hit enter. We can stop this, Control C, and we can take this IP address, copy. Let's go back to Chrome. Go on Google and type IP lookup, click here. We're going to paste the IP here, get IP details, and see what we discovered, that this website is actually behind the Cloudflare. So even though the website is built on Webflow, and even though they can connect their domain name directly to Webflow, they choose to put Cloudflare in the middle. So connect domain to Cloudflare and Cloudflare to Webflow. That way they are hiding the original IP address of their Webflow hosting. And not only that, Cloudflare actually provides them analytics tools, web application firewall, they can control the access, they can protect against DDoS attacks and stuff like that. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's go back. How else except Wappalyzer we can discover which external libraries and third parties they are using. So we can go to Network tab and you can refresh the page. Wait till it's loaded. Okay, so now you can scroll through all of these items and see where they're coming from. So if you click, for example, here, you see the URLs here. If you scroll down, you see, I saw the Calendly, you see Calendly, and then useproof.com, and then this is probably HubSpot. Let's go. You see, you can see many things, but the most useful things you will filter out if you click this one. Click here, and now we are getting all the third parties that are loading. So, for example, HubSpot Forms, Pipedream Vistia, here Vistia again, HubSpot. You see the T, digital-launchpad.com, so we discovered actually new URL of this website. Let's click this arrow here, so that's Clarity MS. You see educate.digital-launchpad.com. Click here, Calendly. Here we have the analytics tool. Here we have Vistia again. Let's see here, we have Stripe. So in the network tab, you can discover also new things. The next one is console, and here you can check if there are some errors, something like that. You can see if there are some notices, some messages that might help you determine which technology they're using. Currently we don't have anything useful, so that's okay. We see that they are using Microsoft Clarity, they're testing something, that there are some missing images, and that's basically it. We can close this. Another interesting way to discover which technologies website is using is to go to the source code, select all, copy, and then go to ChatGPT. Okay, what I did here, I pasted all the code, and you see it's a bunch of code. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and what I added below, so I added these dashes to separate the code and my prompt, and I asked ChatGPT to help me reverse engineer this website. You can write it exactly how I did it, or you can even improve this prompt. This can be much better, but let's see the results. So if you scroll down, so what is the website and its purpose? Okay, third-party tools. You see they're using, it's detected Webflow as a website builder. They detected HubSpot, Google Tag Manager, use proof. So they used this one for social proof, like that pop-up that is triggering like who just bought your course or whatever digital product. Then Calendly, then Hyros for analytics, Microsoft Clarity, Facebook domain verification, Vistia, payment solutions. Here we have Stripe. And then below, it pulled out some specific JavaScript code and explained it. So this is custom code, this is also custom code, this is also custom code, and here it detected some hidden elements. You can go to the inspect element and then find those and rebuild them. And let's scroll below, you can read everything. Yeah, this is pretty good. So this is the front end. So this landing page is actually the front end of everything. But what about when we click yes, give me access now, and when we decide to pay? Let's click get monthly access now. It redirects us to this URL. So this is a Stripe URL with custom domain attached. When we fill out all of this information, we will be able to access the platform and discover more about their technology. And let's do that. And here we are. So let's first click Wappalyzer to see what is it going to say? Okay, we have standard things, analytics, tag managers, and we can see that the front end of this website is built in React. So they're using React framework to build the platform, and we can see, we will see what's in the backend later. So let's go to programs. You see all the videos they have, and if we click, for example, this one, and check this out. If I try to play this one.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Digital Launchpad.
You see, it's a black screen. And why is it black? Because I'm recording. I'm currently recording, and they have a protection. You can't download the video and you can't screen record it. And how did I do that? Let's click here and see if Wappalyzer is going to say anything. Let's scroll. Nothing. So Wappalyzer says nothing. But if we right click on this video, it says about video cipher player. Okay, we can go to Google and just type the video cipher player. Click the first link and let's go to features. And you can see that this is all about protecting your videos. Nobody can download them, nobody can pirate them, nobody can sell them without getting caught. So this is very useful tool. And now we know how Iman actually protects his content. Let's go back. If we inspect and if we go to network, let's leave this clicked and let's refresh. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's scroll up. We have some config. So they're using Amazon. We can see the response, what we got. So this is all the content that's present on the website, and they're populating it probably with React. So the backend of this website is hosted on Amazon probably. I'm not sure which programming language it might be, PHP, might be .NET, might be Python, might be something like that, but definitely some backend language. Let's click here. Okay, nothing special. Here you can see bugsnag.com. Let's see what's that. Open bugsnag.com. And we can see that this app is actually about performance monitoring, error monitoring, distributed tracking, stuff like that. So this helps Iman to detect if any bugs occur on his platform. So if there is any issue, he will get notified about that issue. So that's good. Let's go back. Let's see here. That's also Amazon. Verify.io. Let's check this one. Oh, so this one is used for A/B testing. Okay, we know that he uses this for A/B testing. Let's go next. We already saw that one. Okay, that's all normal. Oh, we have clipstat.com. Let's see what's that. Oh, actually we can't access this one. Let's go back. Let's see payload. Okay, it says it sends some data about video. Let's see response. Okay, so this is probably the statistics of the video. How did you watch the video? How many minutes and stuff like that. Let's scroll down and you can see here it's video cipher. So this is actually part of that protection software that he's using. Probably is used also for some kind of analytics. Let's go back here. Okay, that's all okay. That's all videos. Let's check this one. Okay, so that's video cipher, clipstat. Okay, so that's it. That's all what we can see here. Let's check the console. Nothing special here also. Let's close this one. You can click around these pages and keep the network tab open to see if anything new is going to pop up. So if we click community, for example, you can see that he's using Discord for community. So that's pretty basic. He could have used maybe Circle or something better, but it's okay. Also, we can click affiliate program, we can click settings, we can change things, stuff like that, and see if anything new is going to pop up into the network tab. And the last thing I wanted to show you is actually the email. Let's see here, I received this one when I registered, and if we click here, you can see that they're using HubSpot for emails. So we learned a lot about this platform. So this is probably, most likely and customly built. So this is all custom, and that's pretty good. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned new things, and see you in the next.